Hey man, how's it going? It's Jeremy here. What I actually want to do right now is walk you through kind of what I want. Um, this is something that I've been thinking about for a while, and it's becoming a bigger and bigger issue um, than many people realize. But I'm creating an information product called the Invisible Business, which teaches people how to build like an information marketing business. Um, and it's more like teaching people how the business side works, how to create your info product and then sell it to the market, things like that. um, but one of the things that people get hung up on is the tech side of things, because many of the people that are starting online businesses usually aren't that computer savvy. um, and one of the things that I constantly come across is, or is constantly asked, is how do I host my files on my website? And as you can see, like this is like my website, Dark Knight Persuasion. We actually did. You helped me with a uh, designing the sales letter for this. I don't know, about 2 years ago. I don't know if you remember this, but we did this, and I sold this product and things like that. And basically, when people bought, this is like the members area that they got access to, and these files are here aren't for anybody else but my customers. I don't want any other people being able to access them. Um, so one of the things that I realize is that many people don't know how to do this, or many people struggle to do this because the process is semi complicated compared to what people are usually used to. So right now, the process um, to get your videos up on a website is, as you create the video. Let's say this is your video. Then you have to go into your hosting. Right here, you go into your hosting, you find your FTP information, then you log in through FileZilla or some kind of FTP software, and then you upload your file to your FTP to your hosting, and then you go onto your WordPress site if you have a WordPress site, and then you download like the JW player, and then you grab this link, and then you post it into the JW player as it is, and then you embed it on your site. So then your videos on your site like later on. What I found out though is that many people, they can make the video, but doing all this other stuff is, difficult. People don't understand like what FileZilla is, what hosting, and how to host your files and things like that. Um, Most people think that they can just create the video and then people can watch it from their computer or something like that. Um, and that's just the way many people think. Like, many people don't really understand the internet. What I want to do is find a script similar to kind of what I sent you. It's PHP script, so we'll be able to play around with it. And this is one that I've been looking at. You get a front end and back end for this, which is pretty cool. Um, and basically, like this, actually, let's say they have an audio file that they're selling, like an audio lesson where they're teaching people, I don't know, persuasion techniques or something. Well, they upload it to their files, to their file hosting, and then once they upload it, basically what they do is um, they get this, either this HTML embed code, which is really nice, which creates like a online download link basically, or they can actually embed the entire player, uh, which is really really nice, because what people are used to nowadays, if they don't already know this, that they know how to embed YouTube videos on their website, and that's about as far as it really goes. Um, what you can do with this though is you can embed. Let's see, it's not loading. I don't know why it's not loading. You can actually embed audio files through JW Player and things like that, and also you can embed. Oh, that's the stats page. We gotta go to the URL page. You can also embed videos, PDFs, and things like that, which is something that, you know, many people, they just don't know how to do that. So if they know how to embed a YouTube video, basically they can embed and host their own info products. So basically what we're doing is we're skipping all this. We're skipping all this stuff. And what we're doing with the script is basically making it where people can, you know, let's say they create a video right here. Then they upload it to our site. They grab their embed code and then they embed it onto, you know, their website, and making it a really simple 3-step process instead of, you know, the 20-step process that it is right now. And what this does is allow more, or it allows more people that aren't tech savvy to be able to do the stuff that they need to do online. Now, there are a few services out there like this, and most of them are really expensive, which kind of sucks. And most of them, you know, aren't even well known enough to actually get the exposure or to get the customers that they need to get. So that's really what I want to do. And this script basically does all of it for us, for the most part. A user can come in. Let's see, go to their files. You know, if they want to, they can actually create, like, if they right click, they can actually create a new folder. Let's say they create a product and they want to make a new folder or something like that, and they just call it folder name. I don't think you can actually make a new folder on this, but you can add a new, you can't add a new folder on this demo, but they add a new folder, and then they can have all their files in one place, and then they can easily go out and embed it on their sites. What I really want to do is create this for mainly my customers, but also to get new customers using this. But one of the main things is the bandwidth and file hosting size per account, and, you know, how much is a free account, how much is a paid account, how much, you know, can they upload to the server, how much can they use a month, or how many times can a video be viewed, or something like that. And I would really like to, you know, make this pretty much, you know, our own type deal. So like with this, here's a video that I uploaded earlier today. I was testing it out. As you can see, that this actually has a video player with it as well, which is pretty cool. And then they also have, I don't know if it's on this page, they have a stats thing as well, so you can actually see, you know, if the file has actually been downloaded, how many people have watched it, how long they watched it, and things like that, which is pretty good information for anybody that's really looking into, you know, making this, you know, work for them. So creating like a, let's say, I don't know, like a sales video or something like that, and they want to see how long people watch, they can actually see, you know, somebody watched it for 9 seconds, somebody watched it for 8 seconds, and things like that. And I would like to, you know, make this, you know, a little bit better if we could, but that could be like really later on. But anyways, I know, you know, that I didn't want to make this video too long, but that's kind of what I want, kind of what I want to do, is create a hosting site for private file hosting that they can easily embed onto their sites, from videos to PDFs to audio files, and then everything in between. That's really it. And allow them to easily embed it onto their site, secured hosting, and things like that. So let me know if you kind of understand it now. This is kind of what I want to do. I've been wanting to do this for a while now. So let me know what you think, and I will talk to you later.